Yay, ouch, little stinker, you bit me.
It says please. No. Alright, this is a 1 month-old feisty little guys. Look at that.
Okay.
Look at him. Little pal.
Wipe your face. Let's wipe your face. Okay. Look at that little.
And give him another helping.
He's hungry. You do it so well. Here.
What do you want, huh? What do you want?
There he goes again.
How much you got in there? Hang on. Oh, yeah.
Alright, he's done.
See, Ben, look at that baby. He's eating his supper. Okay, now here's.
Alright, here's the other one. He's not so feisty.
What you want? Huh? What you want?
But he's still pretty hungry. Yeah, he wants that food.
What a messy eater. Yeah,
Good grief.
Your mommy teach you table manners, huh?
Her feathers have just been...
You see the orange coming in on the cheeks? Look at the wings.
Yeah, those feathers just came out of those quills practically overnight.
Yeah, didn't they? Even people in the office commented on how their feathers grew. Like overnight, they got so many feathers.
Because that food's going to a real good purpose on their growth.
You're making me all dirty. Wow, what a dirty bird.
Look at those wings.
Look at those wings on that baby.
That little mohawk crown.
Come on. This is what he puts his... Come on. He knows not to move, because that could mean he could fall out of the nest if he moved forward because he was going for the food.
Here's that other one still squawking. Well, they eat a lot.
But they're eating more.
Isn't that more than a usual helping for them?
Well, they're eating more now. They're getting bigger. Gosh, can you imagine their parents having to keep up with them?
Do you serve towels with your showers, huh? That's pretty good there.
Just like a human baby, just about.
It's very full.
What the heck?
Hey, that's good stuff. He's got it on his chin.
Okay, come on.
All right.
Not a bird.
There we go. They're gonna calm down now.
See, they're. Yeah, you're fed.
What critters.